Want to turn your home into a comfort zone? These gadgets have got your back. First up, the smart thermostat. It learns your schedule and keeps your home cozy without lifting a finger. Next, the robotic vacuum. It's like having a little cleaning ninja zooming around your house. Speaking of ninjas, meet the smart plug. Control any device just by speaking. Ever heard of a Wi-Fi kettle? It's tea time from your bed. And who can resist a smart fridge? It tells you when you're low on milk. Let's not forget the air purifier. Breathe easy, folks. For a touch of ambience, smart lights. Set the mood with a simple tap. And finally, the ultimate comfort buddy, the smart bed. Perfect sleep every night. Ready to level up your home? Your comfort zone is just a gadget away.